My passenger side to your passenger. That don't make no sense. Alright. So here. This time in mirror. That probably can wipe off, but yeah, pretty much. Why the light are not give me no hope? Nice. Alright, so good morning to you. Let me get out of place. Hello, good morning to you. Ma, what are you doing? Yeah? Oh. It's not gonna throw off the color. It's not gonna throw off the color.
That's how it look cleaner than steel.
Because it's not really white, you know, it's
pearl white. It's a pearl white. But them sprayed that back door already.
what, but no. Not the whole thing, but as I show you, say it's a pearl. It's when the sun go on it, you see. So it's not white, I think white. No, I'm asking if it's gonna throw it off because it's pearl white.
Yeah, but I put.
Where get your feet from? Daniel, where get Daniel? So you gotta do the process.
So I have to make sure because they're gonna, once we value it, it's gonna take that into consideration. So I drive very careful.
You are. So you're not here next week, right?
But my person, I think I can probably, if it is that you can do it next week, I could arrange my person to keep this car.
I could have people go 3 years from
3 weeks from now? 3 weeks from now, when?
because even not going to be.
Oh. So just set a date and make it available. Because I use my car for work.
You can call it.
Yeah, so.
As soon as him
Touch back base.
as soon as him available again.
And how long does the process usually take? Because I'm going to get a car too. Because I work with my car. What I do. So I'm going to take film car for a period.
Okay.
And I'm going to take film car for a period. So I have to arrange properly.
No more than that, deal.
Okay.
I give you so long time.
Oh. From now is probably halfway through April. 3 weeks from now then. Yeah, we can do that. So guys, I just came back from the mechanic. I think this would have been the end of the video that you're seeing. It was one big shenanigan. So in 3 weeks, because man said 3 weeks, because apparently the body man I go travel or something, it won't be available. So I'm saying 3 weeks we gonna get, because of the entire door from you do something like that, the mechanics or the body people, because I get to understand that it's two different people, but a woman, we don't care about that. So what, yeah, so we get to understand that. Yeah, he's gonna do it, but of course I recorded. He's like, why are you recording the process? I'm like, I gotta record it because me, well, I didn't say this part to him, but me know I'm capable of, because the nigga scratched the car, and by the time we reach the police, the man just a wibble and a wobble. I'ma never really like that. So since Mrs. say myself wibble and a wobbler, you know, everything wine vice. I didn't realize, you know, catching at everything, because you're not going to say, you're not going to wibble and wobble and fabble, because I'm there talking and thinking I'm going to talk me out. Even when I do for a living, he doesn't. But yeah, prepare to be sick of me, because he's not going to pay for it. Like what? Like what? Not an ordinary girl. That one here, this one know about the shit. So this one, when it thinks that, oh, she is the man, no. Yeah, so you kind of get the real eyebrow and the real everything, because it's Saturday morning. I had to get up, wash early. Y'all don't know, but I get up at 10 on Saturday, and I had to get up. My body, because of what happened, woke me up after 6, going to 7. Before the alarm was 2 hours later, but I got up, did my laundry, showered, because it's one thing with me. So somebody said I should, if they'll come with me if it can be Sunday, but there's a thing in life I've learned. I don't think anybody has done it to me, but I've heard people, and I'm a knock for not having to replay something if a friend of mine or somebody went through it. Like, I learned from their lessons. Yeah, no need to go relive. Is that white on my mouth? What the hell? Do I have diabetes? Come on, no, say diabetes. Not nothing funny about it, but when I say diabetes, people have always have white on their mouth. Fine, let's go back to what we were saying. Yeah, so I know that if you give people reason, they will take it and use it. So if them tell you to come X, go X. Because if you go Y, them are going to say, no, so me didn't have it a X. But because you never come a X, me not have it a Y. And I am not into that. I mean, I want you to have no excuse. So you see, if you say, me go, You get it? I got it. Yeah, so you should be seeing this video. But I'm going to have to do an update after. Because all he did, alright, he probably call me. I'm going to hear the call. Yeah, him, same one. Hello. Yeah.
You know, to be honest with you, I don't have anything on the bumper. I don't have a mark on the bumper, so and it's soft plastic. It more look to me as he saying like I do against it and do that. It's more something like that.
No man, I'm gonna show you the video because that's why I video the process. There was a whole line there from your car. I still have it on my phone. So, yeah, man, I'm going to forward it to you. All right. Like I said, record everything. You see what I mean? Flabba, flabba, flabba. So, me left the spot now. The man, the mechanic probably will attack. And the mechanic probably quote him. Nah. You know how the world work. I've been out here for a second. I'm not do accident and them things, but I've learned. As I said, I learned from other people and them errors. And so I don't need to repeat them. Record everything that people say to you. Always do an email. If somebody has said something to you and I draft up a contract. But watch judge things too often to make stupid mistakes in life. Because it's one thing when people will craft a whole story and the burden of proof will be on you. You need to watch the judge things. Yeah, and I love to have my receipts. I'm an accountant. I love to have my receipts because it's evidence. And I do audit too. Yeah. Have your receipts, guys, because people will be peopling out here. I'm gonna send it. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video properly because I know I'm stopping at the big light, but I kind of reach home and kind of drive and reach home. So yeah. So back to it. Back to it. You see, as me said, sir, the nigga call. You see how God is good? God is good all the time. Somebody say, God is good all the time. And all the time, my God is good. Yeah, so, guys, keep your receipts. When people say something, don't believe them. Don't believe them. God, this morning, as me say, the nigga said show up 9:30. I got up on usual times. And I made sure that not even 10 minutes, not even 5 over, because you know I'm gonna say the mechanic can't see again because I'm gonna show up. Me not play that game there. So you see as you left now, cause the evidence move now, you know. But if you know we might deal with the evidence move now, so I'm probably I try say no, let me pull a judge, or I'm probably hear the price. And then him said, Jesus, whip it. Because it's not, I'm not going to go into too much details. But the color isn't easy to catch back. So you know when it's not an ordinary color, what that mean. And I'm going to ensure that he fixes it properly. I'm not be lenient in life. Because in life, a long time I be lenient and kind. And God, I'm a sister. Listen, it come like a me one out here doing that because people will use and abuse you and use you as them foundation and do better for themselves. And I kind of stop that someday. Who get way. Thank God. Yes, so guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the updates because I'm gonna, as the man say, make us swag up after this because I'm gonna send him the thing as you heard him ask for it. I'm so glad him do that little call there a while ago, so honestly say it's not lie. I'm gonna send him what I promised him a while ago so him can have his little time. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to your girl for more advice on how to be street smart and how to exist in life, especially in Jamaica. I just want to get a further video on it. So if you see, there's a whole indenting going on. Dent. So this is where I showed you, which is down here. So it's a whole situation. So down here, which is all the way at the end, bam, 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 bam. Then in the midst, bam, 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 bam. You can see it. It just takes the sun to shine on there. And if you look to, this is where if person buffed out. If you go over, you see it's a whole thing. And this is the other dent here. If you see, that's from where your person, so it's a whole thing. So yeah, I'm not trying to be difficult or anything, okay? You can clearly see it. It's just that if you don't look properly, you won't see it. But because I know, I can tell you. This is where I do a bit of voiceover. Just want to thank you guys for tuning in, for staying true to the channel, and ask that you stay tuned for much more. As I said, I'm gonna do an update so you guys can see the progress of what's taking place. I hope to take you for the actual spring over. Bye.